This is the 4-slice toaster. Unboxing. So including the package is a user manual, toaster. Here we're going to look at the tray. So you just push out. Here we go, look at the design. So when you push down, it'll clamp the bread. How to use. So you just pick your preferred settings and just press down. There are 4 settings: cancel, reheat, defrost, and bagel. And then you also have your temperature. It goes up to 6. So here we're just going to see the result of the toaster. I believe I had the temperature at 3, so you tell it's toasted. On the right side I had at 6 for crispy. Now I did remove it prematurely because I didn't want the toast to be burnt. But here's the toast. See, it toast crispy. And cleaning the unit is easy. Just remove the trays from the back and remove the particles. Hope this video helps in your decision buying process. If you like it, please like and also subscribe. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.